Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Nicolás Riasco. Today I'm going to present my lesson plan. The topic of my class is daily routine. Okay. Uh, in this lesson, I use a strategy called task group. Task group is the strategy. This strategy is very useful because it helps students speak more clearly. And sometimes students speak very fast and it is difficult to understand them. So with this strategy, I teach students how to use passes. These passes help them organize their ideas and communicate better. And the objective of this class is of my lesson is to help students talk about their daily routine in English. In this class, students learn how to use pauses when they speak. This helps them improve their fluency and clearly also students practice simple and short sentences. And this makes them feel more comfortable and confident. And I think this is very important because speaking is not only about words, it's also about how to express our ideas. So passes help students sound more natural when they speak. Um, the open word act. In this part of the class, I start by grading my students and asking how they feel. This helps me create a friendly and comfortable environment. There is as a simple question, for example, what do you do every day? And students answer with short sentence. This helps me understand what they already know. On the other hand, after that, I give an example of my daily routine without pauses, so it's difficult to understand. Then I repeat the same example, but this time is use pauses. In this way, a student can notice the difference, so they understand which pauses are important when speaking English. Um, in development, in this part of this lesson, I explain the strategy of show groups. First, I write a sentence on the board, and then I divide the sentence into small parts using passes. I explain that show groups are small parts of a sentence. And one more, these parts help students organize their ideas when they speak. Next, students practice with different sentences. They separate the sentence and read them aloud. After that, students were impressed. They told about their daily routine using pauses. This is very important because they practice speaking in real situations. They also feel more confident. Finally, students read a short text and listen to an audio. They identify the passes and practice again. This makes the class more interactive and dynamic. Conclusion. In this final part on the lesson, I ask students some questions. For example, was it easy or difficult? What did you learn? The students share their opinion. This helps me understand their learning process. On the other hand, then some students participate and talk about their daily routine. They use passes to speak more clearly. Finally, I give a motivational message. I tell them that speaking is not about speaking fast, it's about speaking clearly. This helps students feel more confident and motivated. The strategy I use in this lesson is called talk groups. This strategy helps students organize their ideas when they speak. It also improves their pronunciation and fluency. when students use passes the speed more clearly and naturally. In conclusion, this strategy is very helpful for improved speaking skill in English. Thank you, teacher, very much. Bye bye. See you later.